What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about converting your BPI Gold Rewards credit card, credit limit into cash. Kasi guys, kung meron kayong credit card sa BPI which is in Gold Rewards, pwede nyong gawing cash yung credit limit niya at babayaran nyo na lang siya cash installment monthly. Paano nga ba mag-convert? I-share ko sa inyo yung guide at saka pag-uusapan din natin guys yung fees and charges. Magkano nga ba yung interest rates at saka kung magkano yung magiging monthly amortization at saka ilang buwan or ilang taon nyo siya pwedeng bayaran. And of course, magkano nga ba yung interest rates and availment fee. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, BPI Gold Rewards cardholders can convert their credit limit to cash via credit to cash or C2C facility, which allows installment payments for up to 36 months. So ngayon guys, kung natatanong kayo kung ilang buwan or ilang taon nyo siya pwedeng bayaran, up to 36 months yung pinakamatagal na pwede nyo siyang bayaran monthly or 3 years. Application are processed online via BPI app or by requesting a callback. Typically taking 5 to 8 banking days, a PHP 300 pesos service fee applies per availment. So magkano nga ba yung availment fee per transaction? It is amounting to 300 pesos. Methods to convert limit to cash. So ngayon, pag-uusapan natin yung mga hakbang or methods para ma-convert ninyo yung BPI Gold Rewards credit limit ninyo into cash. Credit to cash or C2C installment. This is the primary method to convert your credit limit into cash deposited into your BPI account with options for 6, 12, 18, 24, or 36-month terms. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin nito? 6, 12, 18, 24, 36. So nakadepende sa inyo guys kung gaano nyo siya katagal gustong bayaran. Yung minimum terms or minimum kung ilang buwan nyo siya gusto is 6 months up to 36 months. Pwede kayo mamili kung 12 months, 18 months, or 24 or 36 kung alin kayo mas komportable. Cash advance. So, hindi lang siya via cash to go. Dalawang klase ng paraan para makuha ninyo or ma-convert yung BPI Gold Rewards credit limit ninyo into cash. Pwede rin via cash advance. You can withdraw cash up to 70% of your credit limit from any BPI or MasterCard Visa ATM using your credit card PIN or CC PIN. So ano nga ba yung kaibahan ng cash advance at saka ng C2C or credit to cash? Itong credit to cash kasi guys is kailangan nyo mag-wait ng certain period of time kasi nire-request ito at may processing time. Tapos, ang mangyayari dito sa credit to cash is may monthly or fixed monthly payment siya. Tulad ng sabi ko kanina, 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, up to 36 months. Depende sa gusto nyo. Ito naman si cash advance, yung kaibahan naman niya is basta may cash advance PIN kayo, instant, pwede nyo agad makuha yung pera mula sa BPI Gold Rewards credit card ninyo. Basta may cash advance PIN kayo, up to 70% lang ng available credit limit ang pwede ninyong i-avail. Ngayon, cash advance comes with 3% interest rate per month. Regular talaga yan, hindi yan nagpo-promo. 3% talaga yung ipapatong sa ika-cash advance ninyo hanggang sa ma-fully paid ninyo. Ang kaibahan naman dito sa cash advance is wala siyang fixed monthly installment payment. Hindi tulad sa credit to cash na may talagang may i-assign si BPI na kailangan mong bayaran monthly. Ito siya, kahit 500 lang, ganyan-ganyan. Pero tuloy-tuloy yung 3% hanggang hindi na fully paid yung kinash advance ninyo. Kahit 100 pesos na lang yung natira sa kinash advance ninyo, papatungan pa rin ng 3% kung magkano yung kabuuan na kinash advance ninyo. Ganun naman yung kaibahan. Then yan, let's talk about how to apply for credit to cash. So, paano nga ba mag-apply yung credit to cash, guys? Kasi yung cash advance is automatic yun. Hindi mo na kailangan i-apply. Basta may cash advance PIN kayo, automatic nyo makukuha yung pera mula sa BPI Gold Rewards credit card ninyo. Ito naman kasi si credit to cash or C2C, kailangan siyang i-apply at kailangan ng approval. So, ngayon, let's talk about how to apply it for credit to cash. BPI app or online. Log in check for in-app notification, or select credit to cash under your credit card account. So, kailangan yung BPI online, guys. Kailangan yung mag-login doon. Tapos, select ninyo yung sa notification kung may promo or may offer. Kasi ino-offer yan minsan. Tapos, kahit walang offer, pwede kayo mag-credit to cash, tumawag kayo sa BPI customer service. Then, callback request kung wala kayong pantawag sa BPI. Pwede kayo via BPI online para sila yung tumawag sa iyo. Log into BPI Help and Support to request for a call. So, pwede mo silang i-request na tumawag sa inyo kasi balak mo mag-avail ng credit to cash. Wait for offer. BPI frequently sends promos via SMS, email, or app notification. So, antayin mo kung may promo. Kung hindi mo pa naman kailangan yung pera, antayin mo na lang. Baka kasi mag-promo kasi minsan umaabot ng 0.39%, 0.49%. Kasi yung regular interest rate ng credit to cash sa BPI Gold Rewards Credit Card Credit Limit is 1%. O di ba laking tipid kapag 0.49 lang yung offer sa inyo? 50% din yung masisave ninyo sa interest rate. Key details and fees. Processing time is 5 to 8 banking days. So yung processing time niya, gaano katagal bago makredit sa nominated bank account ninyo is 5 to 8 banking days. Service fee. A fee of 300 pesos is charged per approved application. So, 300 pesos siya per transaction, no? Interest rates is, special rates may apply for select card holders. Remember, select card holders. Kasi ino-offer to at nagpo-promo sila kapag matagal na yung credit card holder si client nila. With some promos offering low add-on rate, example is 0.49 to 0.59%. Tulad ng sabi ko kanina kapag nagpo-promo. Minimum amount cash advance is PHP 500 pesos. So ngayon, regarding cash advance naman, kung ayaw mo ng credit to cash, minimum amount na pwede mong i-cash advance is 500 pesos. Yun yung parang as is talaga. Hindi pwedeng bumaba dyan kasi hindi pwede yon. 500 above. Depende kung magkano yung available credit limit or available cash advance credit limit ninyo sa BPI Gold Rewards Credit Card ninyo. Note, credit to cash promo is generally for select or qualified card holders. So, nais kong malaman ninyo na ino-offer talaga yung promo nga na sinasabi ko yung special rates which is 0.49 to 0.59. Nakadepende siya kung qualified kayo, then papadalan kayo ng notification ni BPI na qualified kayo for that interest rate. Tapos, ito guys, take note lang na nais kong ulitin sa inyo na kung gusto niyo talaga mag-avail kahit walang offer, pwede kayong tumawag sa BPI hotline. Tumawag kayo, sabihin nyo na balak nyo mag-credit to cash sa credit card ninyo. Tapos, i-connect kayo ngayon sa credit card department na kung saan sila yung nagpa-process ng mga cash installment request ng clients nila. Take note lang guys na you should have to pay it off every statement of account. Like for example, na-approve yung na-request ninyong credit to cash. So, kung magkano yung designated amount per month, bayaran nyo ng buo para hindi madoble-doble yung interest. Kasi kapag hindi nyo nabayaran yon, papatungan nyo ng 3% on the next billing cycle. Kaya mahihirapan kayong makaahon. Kaya naman, kung may pera na kayo, bayaran nyo na yung statement balance ninyo para at least hindi na madagdagan ng 3% kung magkano yung natira sa statement balance ninyo kasi hindi nyo siya pinuli-fade. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!